Unlock your inner balance through tranquil serenity and focus. Take a moment, close your eyes, breathe. What if you could carry this sense of peace with you throughout the day while still getting things done? That's the power of balancing serenity and focus. In today's video, we'll explore how to embrace calm, strengthening your focus, merging these two powerful forces, their journey to inner balance, and the incredible rewards of this practice. Plus, I'll guide you through a simple exercise to help you bring more serenity and focus into your daily life. Thank you for being here. My name is Sana, and I'm with Vibration Mentor, where we support our clients in having a joyous journey in life, no matter what is happening around them. This is so they can manifest the life they choose. Let's get started.
Serenity is not the absence of conflict, but the ability to cope with it. These words spoken by Mahatma Gandhi hold the key to an essential truth of life. Hello, beautiful souls. Today I invite you on a journey to discover how serenity and focus, when intertwined, can transform not just your day, but your entire existence. Think of it as a symphony, two seemingly distinct instruments playing together to create something magnificent. Let's explore how these two forces work in harmony, guiding us to a life of balance, fulfillment, and unshakable clarity. Because let's face it, we could all use more clarity. Let's start by understanding the two central characters of the story, serenity and focus. Serenity. Imagine it as a still, tranquil lake, mirroring the vastness of the sky above. It's more than the absence of chaos. It's the presence of a peaceful mind, no matter what is happening around them. Serenity invites us to slow down, to breathe, to observe. It allows us to witness our thoughts and emotions without judgment, grounding us in the present. Now, contrast that with focus. If serenity is the calm lake, focus is the eagle's sharp, unyielding gaze. It's a concentrated force honed in on a target. Focus is about discipline, vision, and action. It's how we channel our energy towards what truly matters. But here's the beauty. These two forces are not opposites, they're partners. When serenity gives you clarity, focus transforms that clarity into purposeful action or inspired action. Together, they create a balance, this incredible symphony for your life. Let's pause for a moment to dive deeper into serenity. Think about the last time you felt calm, truly calm. What did it feel like? Perhaps it was a moment of mindfulness, a deep breath during a stressful day, or simply gazing at the stars on a quiet night. One of my favorite things to do. Serenity isn't something that happens to us. It's something we cultivate. Practices like mindfulness, meditation, and introspection are tools that help us get there. When we slow down and observe our thoughts without judgment, we create space. Space to breathe, space to see clearly, and space to be. So here's a quick exercise. Right now, take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and hold it for a moment. And exhale slowly. Feel that stillness. That's serenity calling you. Now let's turn our attention to focus. Focus is energy, it's intention, it's the ability to say, this is where I'm headed, and to stay on that path, undistracted by the noise around you. But here's the thing, focus doesn't thrive in chaos. It needs serenity as its foundation. For focus to work, we need to clarify our vision. What are your goals, your dreams? What's the one thing that, if achieved, would bring you the greatest joy? Remember, what you focus on grows. Whatever is in our awareness is what we bring more of in our life. So let's make sure we're focusing on the right things that align with our deepest desires and highest selves. Now comes the magic. When serenity and focus come together, Think of this union as a dance. Serenity provides the peace and clarity that focus needs to thrive. In turn, focus channels the tranquil energy of serenity into meaningful action. Together, they amplify each other. For me personally, this combination has been life-changing. When I approach my work from a place of deep calm, my creativity flourishes in ways I never expect. My decisions are clearer and my energy is steady. So, how would your life change if you could bring both serenity and focus into your daily routine? So how do we cultivate this harmony? So let's break it down. Mindfulness. This is your gateway to serenity. Start small, perhaps a few minutes of breathing or observing your surroundings. And over time, mindfulness becomes a state of being. Goal setting. Focus needs a framework. Start by setting clear, specific, and attainable goals. Write them down, visualize them, align your energy with them. And daily habits. Build a routine that integrates both serenity and focus. Maybe it's morning meditation, followed by a focused hour of work. Maybe it's an evening walk to reflect and reset. Consistency is the key. Small, deliberate actions compound over time, leading to profound transformations. And these should be non-negotiable. These are things that you do no matter what. And once you commit to them after about 3 months, you'll just notice that this is part of your life. Even a 5-minute shift in your day will tremendously change the way your day flows, your work, your relationships, your entire life. So I invite you to deeply explore this and try it. What do you gain when you master this symphony of serenity and focus? Sharper decision-making, clarity and focus allow you to navigate challenges with grace and creativity. Better health, reduced stress, increased resilience, and an overall sense of well-being. And deeper fulfillment. When you live with balance, you savor life's daily miracles. You pursue your dreams with confidence and peace. And this is the power of harmony. As Ralph Waldo Emerson said, concentration is the secret of strength. The journey to harmonizing serenity and focus is not a destination, it's a practice. It's about showing up every day with intention, patience, and love for yourself. Each step you take brings you closer to the life you've always dreamed of. A life marked by brilliance, a life marked by balance, clarity, and inner peace. So I invite you, begin today, start small, and let serenity and focus guide your path. Thank you for joining us on this video. And if you enjoyed this, please feel free to go to vibrationmentor.com or join our online community for more inspiration and insights on your joyous journey. And now we are going to go to the exercise. So this is the Serenity and Focus Blueprint. All right, everyone, now it's time to take what we've learned and put it into action. Because this exercise isn't about just thinking, it's about doing. It's about designing your personal blueprint for serenity and focus. So grab a pen, paper, or your favorite digital notepad. And let's create something together that you can use to transform your life starting today. You're not just watching a video anymore, you're stepping into a new chapter of your life. So let's do this. We're going to start with serenity because without calm, focus is like a runaway train. It has energy but no direction. So here's what I want you to do. Pause and reflect. Take a deep breath, close your eyes for a moment, and think about your current state of peace. On a scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is constant chaos and 10 is pure tranquility, where do you land? And 2, identify your serenity triggers. Write down 2 things that consistently bring you peace. Maybe it's a walk in nature, listening to music, or just 5 minutes of quiet. And 3, pinpoint disruptors. Now flip the coin. What are 2 things that disrupt your peace? It could be a habit, a situation, or even a mindset. This reflection is your foundation. Pause the video, write these down, and when you're ready, come back and let's build on this. Welcome back. Now that we've tapped into your serenity, let's channel it into laser sharp focus. Let's start our next challenge. 1, define your goals. Write down one short-term goal, something you can achieve in the next week, and one long-term goal, your big dream. 2, set your priorities. For each goal, ask yourself, what's the most important next step? Write down that step for each goal. And 3, eliminate distractions. What's one thing you can change starting today? To protect your focus, maybe it's turning off notifications during work or setting clear boundaries with your time. Pause the video and get these ideas down. And when you're ready, let's move to the final and most exciting step. And here's the thing. If you find yourself that you don't have goals, that's okay. What you can do is at least have goals on how you want to feel in life. So for example, your goal can be, I want to wake up every day feeling strong and alive and excited to enjoy my day. That can be a goal that you can start with. Then over time, as you keep focusing on it, more and more will reveal itself that can help you get there. And so you can even start with just how you want to feel if you don't have concrete, tangible goals just yet. All of that will work. Welcome back. Now it's time to put it all together. We're creating your Serenity and Focus ritual, a simple daily practice to anchor your life in calm and purpose. So here's how to design it. Number 1, modern serenity. Start your day with a 5-minute practice that calms your mind. Could be deep breathing, mindfulness, or prayer. And we have many meditations in our YouTube channel that you can access as well to help you. 2, we have focused action. Choose one thing, just one, that you will accomplish today. Block off time for it, free from all distractions. And 3, evening reflection. End your day with a quick review. Ask yourself, did I honor my serenity? Did I stay focused on my priority? If not, what can I adjust tomorrow? This isn't just a to-do list, it's a life-shifting habit. Pause the video, write your ritual, and commit to trying it for the next 7 days. Congratulations, you've just created your personal serenity and focus blueprint. This is the beginning of something incredible. But here's the thing, transformation happens when we commit. So right now, I want you to do 2 things. 1, declare your commitment. Write down your commitment to this ritual in the comments below. Let the world know you're serious. And 2, share your journey. Tell me one thing you're most excited to change or improve. I'll be reading every comment because we're in this together, and I'm here to support you, cheer you on, and celebrate your wins. Remember, you are powerful, capable, and deserving of a life filled with serenity and purpose. Now go out there and make it happen. I believe in you.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue your journey of self-growth and manifestation, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, at Vibration Mentor, we're here to support you in creating a joyous life, no matter what's happening around you. Keep manifesting, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.